Okay, Assalamualaikum and good evening, everyone. So, before we start our discussion, let us introduce our first. Start from me.
Hello everyone, my name is Premis and my matrix number is 203575.
Hello everyone, my name is Wong Kai Dik and my metric number is 203895.
Hi everyone, my name is Lina Yamisha. My metric number is 203574.
And my name is Azmira Bint Rosli and my metric number is 203572.
Okay, so today we will discussing about the assignment 4 for FSA 4001. So we are from group 1 and the assignment 4 is for group 1 is about the positive impact on ecosystem. So basically for the assignment 4 is we need to do some part which is for the introduction. You need to briefly explain the impact of COVID-19 pandemic on environment and human surrounding. And for the second part, you need to elaborate the environment impact for our group 1, which is the positive impact on ecosystem. Then the third part is we need to define the EMS, which is the environmental management system, the ISO 14000, and help to overcome or improve the positive impact. And the last one is a suggestion that related to the SOP or rules and regulation and potential strategies of positive impact. So basically for the assignment 4, the main topic is about the COVID-19 pandemic, EMS, to control the impact, the environmental impact. So, how do you guys want to agikan ni tugasan? How? Which one should do which part? I guess for the introduction, I will be volunteering to do the introduction part. So, are there?
I volunteer myself to do the part B, which is to elucidate the elucidate the positive impact of COVID-19 pandemic on ecosystem.
For me, I think I would like to define environment management system. The part C.
Yeah, okay. And as for me, I would like to do the part D, how EMS can help to overcome or improve the positive or negative impact. Yeah.
Okay, so for part D and part E.
Azmira?
Yeah, I would like to do the part D. Can you guys hear me?
Okay, so for the part D, so Azmira will do the how EMS can help can help overcome or improve the positive impact on the ecosystem. So last but not least, our premise will be do the part E, right?
Yes, I'll go for the suggesting related on SOP.
Okay, So I think that we already know which part or which job that we need to be done for this assignment. Anyone to add up?
So far, no.
Okay, thank you, Premise. Linian?
So far from my side, I don't have anything to add, but I just want to ask, right? So for my EMS, should I relate with the COVID-19 or just define it?
I think should be define the EMS only. No need to relate it with the COVID.
Okay, thank you very much, Shimi.
Because for the part D, Azmira will relate the impact, the positive impact on ecosystem, the relation between the EMS and the positive impact of ecosystem.
Okay, I understand. I think so. That's all, is it?
Part D and Part E might be based on the answer in Part B, because somehow Part B is explaining about the positive impact, then Part D is like EMS, and Part E is SOP, but Part D and Part E is somehow related to the impact.
Sorry, what do you mean by that, Wong?
It's like is like part of the answers of Part D and E might be based on Part B lah, I think.
Oh.
Because Part B I'm supposed to write on the positive impact on ecosystem, and then Part D is to how the EMS can help to overcome or improve the positive impact, and Part E is suggest the related SOPs.
Oh, true.
Might be based on the answer of Part B lah. And then so I think we can discuss a bit on Part B first, so Premise and Azmira can have the guideline to do Part D and E. I personally, and I found basically like 5 positive impact, which is all right. So just now we all agreed that my answer in Part B will be the guideline for the answer from Azmira in Part D and the answer from Premise in Part E. And I've done some research before this on my part, and I get that basically there are like 5 positive impacts on the ecosystem that I can identify from my research. The first positive impact is the reduction of carbon dioxide gas emission or the greenhouse gas emission and the greenhouse effect. Then the second impact would be the reduction of nitrogen dioxide gas emission and acid rain formation. And the third impact would be the animals or wildlife having more rooms of survival in the ecosystem. And fourth impact would be reduction of noise pollution. And the fifth impact would be decrease in water pollution. So I think these are the positive impacts of COVID-19 pandemic on the ecosystem that I have found. If there is any other addition or any changes on these ideas, then I will discuss with Premise and Azmira later, and we will see how.
Okay, Kaideep.
Okay, so anyone still have something to add on?
I think no.
So I think that's all for the meeting today. Thank you everyone for your participation. Hope you guys can finish the assignment as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, everyone.
Thank you.